Welcome to the captivating world of Japan, a country where tradition meets modernity. Here you'll find a rich tapestry of culture, steeped in history and spread across diverse landscapes. From the age-old customs maintained with a sense of pride, to the embrace of the ultramodern, the nation truly is a blend of the ancient and the cutting edge. As we delve into the heart of the land of the rising sun, we'll journey through the top 10 breathtaking landscapes and tourist attractions that make Japan a must-visit destination. Starting our countdown at number 10, we plunge into the snowy landscapes of Jigokudani. Nestled within these frosty terrains, Jigokudani Monkey Park presents a unique spectacle. Picture this, a bustling hot spring, not filled with people but with wild snow monkeys. These furry inhabitants have found their own little paradise, submerging in the warm waters to escape the winter chill. A sight to behold, these snow monkeys embody the spirit of survival and adaptation. A visit to Jigokudani offers a unique wildlife experience like no other. Coming in at number 9, we step back in time in the historic city of Kyoto. This city is a treasure trove of Japanese heritage, brimming with ancient temples, shrines, and traditional tea houses. Each corner you turn unearths another piece of history, allowing you to immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Japanese culture. The vibrant hues of the Kinkakuji Temple, the tranquility of the Shinto shrines, and the charm of the old-fashioned tea houses create an unforgettable experience. Kyoto truly is a journey back in time, a city where history comes alive. At number 8, we gaze upon the iconic Mount Fuji. This majestic mountain, standing tall at 3,776 meters, is not just a natural wonder, but also a significant emblem in Japanese culture. It's an inspirational muse for poets, painters, and now you. Imagine standing at the peak, the world sprawled beneath you, and the sky a canvas of breathtaking hues. That's the magic of Mount Fuji for you. Mount Fuji, a symbol of Japan's natural beauty, is a sight to behold. Number 7 takes us to the heart of Japan, the vibrant city of Tokyo. Here the streets buzz with unending energy, a testament to the city's ceaseless rhythm. Skyscrapers reach for the stars, their modern architecture a symbol of Tokyo's forward-thinking spirit. As night falls, Tokyo's dynamic nightlife emerges, painting the city in a kaleidoscope of neon lights. From the latest trends to the finest cuisine, Tokyo offers an experience like no other. Tokyo, a city that never sleeps, captures the spirit of modern Japan. Halfway through our countdown, at number 6, we find ourselves amidst the scenic Nara Deer Park. This peaceful haven, nestled in the heart of Japan, is home to hundreds of friendly deer that roam freely. As you walk through the park, you'll be greeted by these gentle creatures, adding a unique charm to your visit. The tranquil atmosphere, combined with the beauty of the landscape, creates a truly serene experience. A stroll through Nara Park is a perfect escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Breaking into the top 5, we venture into the picturesque landscapes of Hokkaido. Imagine fields awash with vibrant lavender, their sweet fragrance wafting through the air. Envision the soothing hot springs, a natural spa nestled amid snow-capped mountains. Picture world-class ski resorts, their slopes a thrilling challenge for adrenaline seekers. Hokkaido isn't just a place, it's an experience, a symphony of sights, sounds and sensations that captivate the senses. Hokkaido, with its pristine nature, offers a tranquil retreat away from the urban landscape. At number 4, we visit the spiritual Itsukushima Shrine. Nestled on the island of Itsukushima, it's a beacon of tranquility, known worldwide for its iconic floating torii gate that seems to hover on the water during high tide. Dating back to the 6th century, the shrine encapsulates the Shinto belief of the sacredness of nature. Its serene surroundings, the whispering winds, and the gentle lapping of waves all contribute to an immersive spiritual experience. Itsukushima Shrine is a testament to Japan's spiritual heritage, a site that leaves a lasting impression. Our countdown continues with the majestic Himeji Castle at number 3. Nestled in the heart of Hyogo Prefecture, the castle's architectural beauty is a sight to behold. Its brilliant white exterior, earning it the nickname White Heron Castle, contrasts beautifully with the vibrant hues of the surrounding cherry blossom trees. Steeped in historical significance, it is one of the few remaining original castles from Japan's feudal era. Himeji Castle, a symbol of Japan's feudal past, stands as a proud reminder of the country's rich history. Almost at the end of our journey at number 2, we find ourselves in the tranquil bamboo grove of Arashiyama. This enchanting forest with towering bamboo stalks whispers tales of tranquility and peace. As you meander through the grove, the rustling leaves and the gentle sway of the bamboo create a calming ambiance, offering a moment of respite from the world outside. Each step taken within this grove feels like a journey into serenity itself. The bamboo grove of Arashiyama, a place of serenity, offers a unique and mesmerizing experience. Finally, at number 1, we revel in the spectacular cherry blossoms of Hirosaki Park. Imagine a sea of pink, a symphony of petals rustling in the breeze. Each spring, this park transforms into a living canvas, painting a breathtaking picture of Japan's cherished sakura season. The cherry blossoms, or sakura, hold a profound cultural significance, symbolizing the ephemeral nature of life, a reminder of its fleeting beauty. The cherry blossoms of Hirosaki Park epitomize the beauty of Japan, an unforgettable sight that is truly a feast for the eyes. And there we have it, the top 10 breathtaking landscapes and tourist attractions in Japan. From the playful snow monkeys of Jigokudani to the majestic Himeji Castle, from the vibrant pulse of Tokyo to the tranquil bamboo grove of Arashiyama, Japan offers a kaleidoscope of cultural and natural marvels. Each destination is a chapter in a journey of discovery. Experience the magic of Japan for yourself, and discover a world where the past and the future beautifully intertwine. And remember, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, sayonara.